Hi everybody, this is Wendy Abruzzini. Today we're going to walk through how to build a simple time audit spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel. What you're looking at now is the time audit spreadsheet broken down by days of the week and 15-minute time increments throughout the day. This is what we'll be building in today's tutorial. Go ahead and launch the Microsoft Excel icon and open up a new workbook. Starting in cell A1, you're going to type the day of the week. I prefer to start my days on Sunday, and then you're going to fill in your header: time, activity, minutes dedicated, and notes. You can expand the width of your column to meet the demand text by highlighting the cell column and dragging it. The other thing I like to do is bold my text and make it a little bit bigger. I'll adjust the width of my columns one more time till it's where I'd like it. Next, I'm going to merge and center Sunday across all of the columns just to make it look nice. And then I'm going to change the background to one of my favorite colors, which is pink. Once I've changed my background, I'm going to highlight the text and turn it to white, so I have a very nice pink and white heading. The first column we're going to start with is the time. I'll type in 12 a.m. into cell A3. Microsoft offers a time formatting option, so I'm going to use that formatting option and just drag down throughout the cells so it starts to build my spreadsheet for me. Now you'll notice here that it's done in hours. I can always update it to the half hour or to the minute, depending on how you want your spreadsheet set up. I like to do 15-minute increments, so I'm going to add a couple rows and start by typing 12:15, 12:30, and I could even do a row for 12:45, but Microsoft Excel is smart enough to guess what I want to put in my future cells. And all I have to do is highlight those cells, drag it, and it's going to put in 15-minute increments for me automatically. That's a pretty handy dandy trick. I love it. But remember, you can set up your increments however you want. If you want to do hours, great. Half hour, quarter hours, whatever you'd like to do is perfectly fine. The next thing I like to do is just add a border around my data. And for somebody like me, since I broke mine into 15-minute increments, I like to put a little bit of a thicker border around those increments, just see where my hour marks are. So that's what you're seeing me do here on the screen. And I would continue doing that throughout the remainder of the document. In the activity column is where you're going to type in what you did. Now, a lot of your day might be filled in by sleep, which is completely normal. If you notice on your time audit spreadsheet you're lacking sleep, maybe you should add a few more hours in there to your schedule. For me, I typically get up around 6 a.m., so I'm going to put get out of bed at 6 a.m. By 6:15, I'm usually out of bed and starting to get some coffee, eating my breakfast, and it usually takes me about half hour or so to finish breakfast. So I'm going to eat breakfast 2 cells. And then by 6:45 a.m., I'm starting to get ready for the day, showering, doing my hair, brushing my teeth. But as you can see, it takes me a long time to get ready. So after a while, I might want to consider, hey, maybe I could reevaluate my morning routine and squeeze in some time for something else. Now, if I want to add tabs, I'm just going to go to the bottom and click Add Tab and rename each tab for every day of the week. Okay, and I would do that for all 7 days of the week. But remember, you can set it up however you would like. Because I like to make things pretty and make things match, I'm going to match my tab color to the heading color on the worksheet. So I've got Sunday set as pink, and I want to set my tab color to be the same color, pink. And I can do the same for all of the remainder of the tabs. If you want to just copy or use your format painter and bring your data over into the next tabs, you can certainly do that. When you're finished, you just save as, name it whatever you'd like, and you officially have your time audit work.